In primetime news this evening, no water. Fire and smoke from Riverton City dump persists as water system no longer works.
Portland's Blue Lagoon to reopen, but with limitations.
And rat crisis in the capital. KSAMC explores list of possible solutions. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janela Precious with a preview of what's to come in the financial week. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Janela, this evening we're talking chickens and liquor. So two major companies have made some investments to expand their product line as well as also expanding their production. So I'll give the details a little later on.
I like that combination there. Jordan Fort is also here. He'll tell us what's coming up in sports. Jordan?
Well, no chickening out for Cricket West Indies in terms of naming a new head coaches for the teams, but some are questioning what they were drinking maybe in naming the coach of the white ball teams. I'll tell you why in Primetime Sports Friday.
All right, and we go over to Romaine with a preview of the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Janela. We had some light shower activity across sections of eastern parishes this afternoon, and we are expecting more activity tomorrow and into the weekend, as well as for next week. I'll tell you more in the weather report and forecast.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what do you make of the two new appointments to the government side of the Senate?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
All right, please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.